Grow smarter, not harder, the AC Infinity 2K2 Grow System Review. Ready to ditch the guesswork and grow like a pro? We're diving into the AC Infinity Advanced Grow System 2X2, a complete smart solution for beginner growers. Get ready to automate your way to a thriving indoor garden. This isn't just a tent, it's a fully integrated ecosystem. The kit includes a durable 2000D Mylar tent, a powerful Samsung LM301H LED grow light, and an efficient inline fan with carbon filter, plus smart controls to automate everything. The 24x24x72 CloudLab 722 Grow Tent is built to last. It features a sturdy steel frame and a light-proof canvas. The reflective Mylar interior maximizes light, ensuring your plant gets all the energy it needs. The integrated Wi-Fi-enabled controller is a game-changer. Connect to the AC Infinity app to automate ventilation, circulation, and lighting schedules. Monitor temperature, humidity, and VPD in real time right from your phone. The controller features timer, cycle, and scheduling modes. This allows for customized activation, making it easy to create the perfect environment for your plant. Say goodbye to constant manual adjustments. The 100W full-spectrum Samsung LM301H LED grow light is designed for optimal plant growth. Its algorithmically spaced diodes provide powerful sun-like illumination. It covers a 2x2FT area, perfect for all growth stages. The next-gen EC motor inline fan delivers 205 CFM of airflow at a whisper-quiet 28 dBA. Paired with the Australian carbon filter, it ensures superior odor control. This keeps your grow discreet and your air clean. This kit is designed for beginners. It includes fabric pots, pruning snips, duct clamps, and more. Assembly is quick, taking just 1 to 2 hours. AC Infinity's excellent customer support and 2-year warranty provide peace of mind. According to customer reviews, the system is easy to set up with clear instructions. Users praise the app for easy control of fans, temperature, and humidity. It's a user-friendly experience from start to finish. The AC Infinity Advanced Grow System 2X2 is a fantastic investment for beginner indoor gardeners. Its smart automation, high-quality components, and ease of use make it a top pick. While the clip fan doesn't oscillate, the overall performance is outstanding. Ready to take your growing game to the next level? Click the link in the description to check the latest price and customer reviews on Amazon. See the AC Infinity Advanced Grow System 2X2 in action and start growing smarter today.